If you want to free up storage space on the Motorola Moto G56, here's what we can do. So first of all, we're gonna open settings and let's go to storage. Over here, of course, we have the summary of our storage, how much space is taken by each category, so you can have a general idea of what uses the most space. For example, if you have lots of photos on your phone, then you will be able to notice that images take lots of space. So you can decide to go into images. Let's open files by Google. There we go. And in this case, you can go through all your photos and decide what can be removed. Unfortunately, there is no automation that allows you to remove some outdated files or anything like that. So this is one of the main ways to decide what we can get rid of. So if you have lots of apps that they take lots of space, then you will see it over here. The same can be said, for example, about videos. And one of the things that can also be mentioned is, of course, trash. If you removed lots of files recently that take lots of space, then most of the time they are kept in trash for 30 days before they are removed forever. So what you might want to do is select trash over here in order to find what you have in trash, and then you can decide to remove something permanently. So besides that, we can also go to apps over here in settings in order to find unused apps option. And in this case, we can see which apps are barely used, which at first, of course, if you just started using your phone, there will be nothing here. But after some time, you should see the list of apps that you never really touch, so you can consider removing them. And of course, remember to clear cache of files, of apps actually. So while we are in apps, we can tap over here in order to see the list of all apps. I'm not sure if we can sort, no, we cannot sort by the size, but if you notice that a certain app weighs unusually a lot, then you can go into the app. So let's say I'm going to choose the Chrome browser. And then over here you can choose storage and cache, and then you should be able to clear storage or just clear cache. So this is all we can do on this phone in order to free up some space. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.